Hello everyone. Today we are in the community lab and we will be performing the heat and acetic acid test. This test helps to detect the presence of protein albumin in urine. Required equipment to perform this test we need acetic acid, a urine sample container, a dropper, a matchbox, spirit, a test tube holder and a test tube. Procedure: first, prepare the sample. Take a clean test tube. Using a dropper, add about 5 ml of urine into the test tube. Second step, heat the upper portion. Light the spirit lamp using a matchbox. Hold the test tube with a test tube holder. Heat only the upper portion of the urine sample gently. Observe for turbidity, cloudiness, which indicates the presence of protein. Third step, confirm with acetic acid. Add 2-3 drops of acetic acid to the heated sample. Mix gently and observe. If turbidity disappears, it was due to phosphates. If turbidity persists, it confirms the presence of protein in the urine. Observation and result: no cloudiness means no protein present. Cloudiness that disappear with acetic acid, there is a presence of phosphate. If cloudiness that persists after adding acetic acid, presence of albumin proteinuria. This completes the heat and acetic acid test. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more lab procedure. Thank you.